In this video I'm going to be showing you step by step how I built this martial arts podium. It's going to be made entirely from this pile of scrap wood, and this is the drawing that I'm going to be working from. So the first thing I need to do is start sorting through all the offcuts and find any pieces that are useful, and then start cutting them to their finished dimensions. Now I'm getting set up to mitre all the corners, and the reason I'm doing that is so we don't see any of the edges of the ply. It just makes for a neater job. So now I'm running a rebate along the top, and that's just going to give somewhere for the actual top to sit, which obviously make it a lot stronger. So now I can start putting all the frames together, and I'm just going to use the hammer fist, glue and tape technique. Measuring up for the tops now, and I've tilted the blade over on my saw a couple of degrees just to make it slightly easier to fit these tops. All the tops are made out of 18mm. I've got the box flipped upside down now, and I'm just going to reinforce all the corners with some scrap pine that I had lying around. Now I'm just going to route in some bolts, some nuts, sorry, so everything can be bolted together when it's put in its final position. So I'm just running around now and filling all the holes and defects and getting it ready for spraying. On the ends that were on permanent display, I decided to use laminate instead of spraying them. I had a few offcuts lying around, so it made sense to use that up. So now I'm on to gluing the rubber on the tops, and I wasn't looking forward to this part, to be honest. I didn't have a lot to play with, so I had to get it right first time. So I'm just doing my best here to keep the factory edge lined up with the front of the box. It actually didn't go too bad in the end. Now I'm just running around the rubber with my 30-degree cutter. It's just going to give it a slight back bevel so nothing catches the rubber and potentially pulls it off. Also trim the rubber to the exact size of the top. I'm just labelling up the joins here just to make it easier for anyone putting the podium together in the future. I know it's quite obvious, but these boxes don't really have a front or a back. Now I'm just applying the primer. I ended up giving it 4 coats in the end with a light sand in between. These doors are here just so you can gain access to the bolts to bolt everything together. And it's also like a handy bit of storage if the guys need to store anything on the actual day of the event. As always, thanks for watching. Any comments, please leave them below, and we'll see you on the next one.